Morning guys, today is our third day in Quebec. We are already in where are we right now?
Montmorency Falls.
Montmorency Falls, and we are going to try
Le Parc Chute Montmorency Falls.
you need to practice your French, babe.
It's okay.
Okay, there's traffic. Where do we go in? I think there's an entrance.
Is the entrance straight ahead?
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you. Okay. So we're going to walk a little bit more straight to the entrance. Look at the lineup. After a very long wait, we finally got in. We have our thingy up here.
It's actually
What?
35 minutes.
45 minutes? Almost an hour, right?
35.
35. Okay. But good thing that we got in.
Yeah.
In less than an hour. That's what the website said. It's going to be an hour wait, right?
Yeah.
But
So, where are we going now? What is that? Is it a cable car?
Yes, it is.
But why is it going down? We're supposed to go up.
I don't know. Let's see. Let's see. The waving flag of Quebec.
Over here. Come here.
Siksikan. Dami oh. Look at that. Your favorite animal.
I didn't even know there was like snake here.
Yeah, I think it's garter snake.
Garter snake?
Garter snake, yeah.
What is that?
It's most common here.
Ah.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Garter snakes.
Guys, are they venomous?
Yes! You got scared?
I got, no, I got you.
It's your favorite animal.
It's not. So, mamaya, kahit hindi na tayo bumaba dyan.
Huwag na tayong bumaba siguro.
Pero
dyan.
mag-cable car tayo, maglakad tayo papunta dito. Tapos babalik na lang tayo dun.
Ang
Mahirapan tayo
hirap
sa
dyan
hagdanan. Kaya cable car na lang tayo. Bayad na naman yung cable car.
Grabe guys, ang daming tao, di mahulugan ng karayom. Gusto ko. Pero ang ganda dito. This place is calming. We are inside a forest, right? The future is cordless. I am RoboCop. Carmen, Koya alert! Ang daming Koya dito, Carmen, oh. Ayan. So, Carmen, pumili ka na.
Sir, you have to go over here, sir.
Bakit?
Wala na daw.
Sarado na? Ay, sakto lang kasi yung orasan nila eh, na hanggang doon lang yung pwedeng maka-accommodate.
Dalawa tayo.
Oh man. Guys, grabe guys, ang kakapagod. Pero mas okay na to kasi pababa tayo, di ba? It's better than descending than ascending. Because this is a long walk and a very long stair. Tingnan mo si Koya, oh. Nakakabag pa. Yan mo to katari. What? Oh guys, so tingnan nyo yung binaba namin. Ayun! Ang tarik hanggang doon. Hindi, hanggang doon pala. Doon ang pinanggalingan namin, no. Doon. Wow, look at how far going down. Just imagine if you're going up. I'm going to die. But luckily, we were descending. So I'm happy. Kelvin, if you're watching this, I think I found your like an actual exercise for you. I mean, I found a cardio exercise for you, and this is the one that I found for you. I know that you can make this. Kelvin, go to Quebec and do the cardio. This is for you. Oh, finally. Let's take a shower. It's shower time.
I'm so disappointed.
Why?
I really wanted to do that zip line. It's just that it's fully booked already for the day, and this is our last full day here in Quebec. But you know what? It's still a good experience. I love waterfalls, so Montmorency is definitely a winner. But
I want coffee.
I want iced coffee.
I want ice cream.
I want iced coffee.
I want sundae.
I want iced coffee.
I want ice, 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 ice. Saan tayo galing? Diyan. Sexy naman itong mamang to. Kuya, sexy naman ng kwet mo. Yung mga walang forever dyan, inggit kayo. Magkahawak kamay, sabay-sabay, iwagayway. Hey, kuya, oh. Oh, there's a rainbow. There is a rainbow. Box. 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 Rainbow. There's a treasure at the end of the rainbow. Let's go get the treasure. Rainbow, rainbow. There's a treasure at the end of the rainbow. Ha? Wow! Sarap talaga ang bawal. Kasi bawal yan, oh.
Oh. Recording? Is it recording? Yo guys, you know,
Unlimited.
that pose is okay. I mean, it's a winner for our trip.
But it's not a winner for my body. Because I'm tired.
It's nothing compared to, was it Alberta? No, it was Golden, BC, right? The waterfalls and the Crescent Falls. Those are still my top waterfalls. Takakau is okay too. I think Takakau is taller than this one. What do you think? Maybe. Well guys, see you later. We're heading back to our hotel. We're going to take a shower and then
Go out for dinner.
hit the road again.
Hit the road, Jack. Dun, 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 dun. Hit the road, Jack. It's not. Okay guys, we're going to ride this cable car up here. Hi, just these two.
Yes.
Thank you.
Merci, thank you.
And then you got another one for free.
Here is our ride. Si Kuya Conductor.
Diba? There we go.
Saan tayo pwesto ka na? Sa falls. Here? Sakto.
C'est loin. Du navire? Non, du...
Yay! We're going up! Kuya! Si Kuya na. Ay ko po. Kakatakot.
C'est pas les Alpes.
Pumunta ba tayo dyan?
Oo. Eh, ito hindi.
It's close. Tingnan mo yung nilakbay namin, no? Mula doon, pababa, hanggang dito, paikot. Layo. Kuya.
Ilang tao dun.
الو بله الان صدا میاد ما الان تمام تلکابین شدیم داریم دیگه میرسیم به ایستگاه بله رسیدیم الان رسیدیم سعید زنگ دارم
We've just arrived. And back where we once came. 30 persons.
Capacité 3 tonnes de...
Désolé, merci.
Go ahead.
Oh, thank you.
Oops. See so. Go ahead, boss. Thank you. Let's go home. What time is our bus? Let's go to the bus stop right away. Let's go. 5 o'clock. Let's take one last look.
5:22.
Okay. Walkathon na naman tayo, guys.
Pero I think maganda yung pinlano natin na bumaba tayo, naghagdanan tayo kasi nakuha pa rin natin yung mga view.
Yeah. Walkathon.
Pero hindi ako nakasakay.
Go in.
Thank you.
Welcome.
Woo! Kahit saan?
Yung mga kaano.
Ito.
Gusto mo dito?
Gusto ko kasi sa taas.
Ayun.
Likod-likod talaga. level. Mainit.
Dito ka sa pulo.
Get out the way.
Dito ka. Buksan mo yan.
Holy moly.
The sunshine. Yeah, the sunshine.
How di Carabao. Wala sa bundok.
Tulak mo.
Bigas. Ayaw.
Maka hanggang doon na lang yan.